He says it's not easy, Rawiri. We heard mamae and tangi from one of the kaiwero this morning. How do you do that? How do you be good to each other? Not just Taranaki to Taranaki, Māori to Māori, but a wider community here in Taranaki. How do you be good to each other when you have that mamae and that tangi?
Well, you have to put the mamae in the proper context. You can't be running around being angry all your life to everybody. You actually have to understand your history and know where that mamae fits and where it belongs. And that's how you deal with it.
But for you, an also overriding sense of pride, seeing those images again, reflecting on what happened this morning with the motu coming together. You had a couple of ngapuis, I saw the kazis at the front there earlier, but the motu coming together here with you.
Whaka mau te wehi. All I could think of at that time of the pōwhiri, it's the 28th of October, the whakapūtanga o te rangatiratanga o New Tirini. And you know, I te pūtanga o te tō rātou mahi, a puta te wairua, te wei, te mano e rā huatanga katoa. Nā kātou te mamai, te pauritanga I runga e āhuki. A koe rā te āhuatanga o te pōwhiri. A tangi, a kata, a koa. Nā ka kotahi tātou.
Ka wānanga, like we're doing here right now. Andrew, I have to tell you, last year when we had the pūtake o te riri a Ngāpuhi, not many people stayed for this kind of panel discussion. We've got a full house here tonight. And not just Māori either. A lot of Pākehā in this whare here tonight, a lot of Pākehā during the pōhiri this morning. When you reflect on that, how do you feel? What does that mean for you?
So for me, obviously coming from complete Pākehā upbringing here in New Zealand, watching and feeling that pōwhiri was, because I don't speak te reo Māori, so for me it was something you could just sense. There was a real emotion that cut through the air and hit me as a Pākehā and the Pākehā that were around me.
Can you explain the emotion for us?
A sense of, I could feel a mixture of emotion of pain, of love, of a crying out for connection between Pākehā and Māori. I could feel the power from this whare calling out to us. And as a Pākehā, a sense of what are we going to do? How are we going to make a difference for the children that were there today as well?
Mary, if I come to you, and I will come to Tūroro and Leonie soon, but did you feel the same sense of emotion, that same emotion today that Andrew talked about?
I always feel emotion coming onto a marae, which probably is stemmed from a sense of envy, because what you see when you come in and what I saw this morning is a total sense of self that people have, that sort of degree of confidence in who they are and what they bring. And for me, you know, that's a source of some envy almost, because that's such a powerful thing to be portraying. And as Jamie said, when that's coming through in the young people, that's even more spectacular.